to No Place Like Home. I am so glad to have you here today. I will be participating in an open collaboration with four fine ladies. And the hosts are Gigi Fashion, For the Love of Decor, Shauna on the Spot, Debbie, Bubba, and Lady Cinnamon. These are some fine young ladies, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put their information in the description below. So go over and show them some love. And my colors today will be silver and gold because we are fixing this table for a king. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I will be back at the end. Okay, here we go. A table fit for a king, my king. And I really enjoyed this collab, and I thank all of the hostess that sponsored this. I just enjoyed it so much. And I'd like to thank all of my subscribers. I'd like to thank all of my new subscribers. I thank y'all so much. I thank y'all for the comments. I thank y'all for the prayers. I thank y'all for all that y'all do for me from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate that. And most of all, I thank God for my husband. And before I go, I had bought him this card, and I think it was so fitting for this day since we're celebrating Father's Day. It says, for a wonderful husband. As a husband, you are someone I can count on to listen, to understand, to love me. As a father, you're the kind of dad other dads strives to be. One, our family feels lucky, but I'm going to say blessed. I don't like lucky. That I am blessed to call our own. So though I may not tell you as often as I should, don't ever think a moment that I don't appreciate you. Because as far as I am concerned, you're the best there is. Happy Father's Day. With love from your beautiful, lovely, sweet wife. I just want to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, to all the fathers that wants to be fathers, and all the fathers that are fathers to be. I thank all of y'all. And I hope that y'all have a blessed and prosperous day on Father's Day. And may God forever keep you, and may God forever bless you and prosper you from this day forward. Happy Father's Day. And I'm going to say bye-bye.